To On Obs and Gynae, today we will take you step by step through Patwardhan Maneuver for impacted fetal head. What is Patwardhan Maneuver? It is a special technique of cesarean delivery used when the fetal head is deeply impacted in the pelvis. When is Patwardhan Maneuver used? It is used in cases of deeply impacted fetal head in second stage cesarean section, in case of failed push-up technique, in case of obstructed labor, and when there is difficult extraction of the fetal head. What is the basic principle of Patwardhan maneuver? First of all, deliver the shoulders first, then the trunk, then the legs. Finally, the head comes out last. This avoids trauma caused by forceful head disimpaction. Now we will discuss the step-by-step technique of Patwardhan maneuver. The step 1 of Patwardhan maneuver involves identification of the shoulder. After uterine incision, the anterior shoulder is seen. Surgeon gently hooks the arms and deliver it. Second is that of the step number 2, which involves the delivery of the both arms. First anterior arm, then the posterior arm is delivered. This allows the shoulders to descend. Now, the step 3 involves the delivery of the trunk. Gentle traction is applied. The baby's chest and abdomen comes out. Step 4 involves delivery of the leg. The baby is now partially breached. The legs are gently delivered one by one. Step 5 involves the delivery of the head in the last. The head which is impacted is now free. It is delivered like a breech head using standard maneuvers. So, here we have simplified the Patwardhan maneuver. First of all, deliver both arms first through the uterine incision. Then use the grip technique. Operator hooks fingers through both axilla. Hold the baby's back securely. Then use the controlled traction plus fundal pressure. Gentle traction is applied by the operator. Assistant applies the fundal pressure and that flexes the fetal abdomen and deliver the breech. Then comes the delivery of the head. After breech delivery, head gently lifts out similar to reverse breech extraction. Now, what are the advantages of Patwardhan maneuver? First of all, there are less chances of uterine extension, reduced maternal trauma, it avoids the excessive force, and it is helpful in deeply impacted fetal head. What are the limitations of Patwardhan maneuver? It requires skill and experience. It is not suitable if the shoulders are not reachable, and there are risks of fetal injury if it is done incorrectly. So, one line memory trick about Patwardhan maneuver is that in this maneuver, the shoulders are delivered, followed by body, then the leg, and then the head. So, Patwardhan maneuver is in fact reverse of the normal delivery. Modification of reverse breech extraction is in fact the Patwardhan maneuver. The arms are delivered first, not the legs. So, Patwardhan maneuver is a very high skilled technique. It needs specialist training and repeated practice, and simulated based training is recommended. That is why it is limited globally because of the lack of availability of the experts. Now, when is Patwardhan maneuver useful? It is useful in case of occipito anterior fetal position when the feet are difficult to access, and it is not a beginner technique. Now, the safety comes first. The gentle, skillful handling is essential in Patwardhan maneuver. So, the bottom line about Patwardhan maneuver is that it is a highly specialized pull technique valuable in selected cases, but only safe in trained, experienced hand. Now, this chart explains the vaginal push-up versus Patwardhan method. Initial analysis suggested that vaginal push-up was associated with increased risk of uterine incision extension, increased risk of urinary tract injury, and increased risk of postpartum hemorrhage. Compared with the Patwardhan method, initial analysis was also suggested that vaginal push-up or reverse breech extraction may increase the risk of incision extension on the lower segment, postpartum hemorrhage, maternal blood transfusion, and the length of operative time. So there are a high risk of complications with vaginal push-up method. So this was a complete overview of Patwardhan maneuver with evidence-based insight, its technique, advantages, limitation, and evidence-based practice. If you find this helpful, subscribe on Obs and Gynae, hit the like button, and follow us on Facebook for more expert content. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.